Puracy Natural Baby Shampoo and Body Wash Refill, Tear-Free by Puracy is one of the best sellers among baby shampoo products. Best Baby Skincare Products. The Bump, 2018 award winner. Developed by doctors, clinically superior results using gentle, nourishing, pure natural ingredients, citrus grove, a light, subtle blend of pink grapefruit essential oils and natural botanical extracts. No allergens or irritants, for all skin types, including those with eczema, cradle cap, and sensitive skin. pH-balanced formula provides mounds of tiny cleaning bubbles. Sea salt purifies and balances, while vegetable-based moisturizers retain skin softness. No harsh chemicals, no cocomidopropyl, betaine, sulfates, SLES, SLES, SCS, eye-numbing agents, triclosan, formaldehyde, salicylates, parabens, phosphates, gluten, petroleum-based ingredients, animal byproducts, perfumes, dyes or caustics. Natural, non-toxic, hypoallergenic, vegan, gluten-free, biodegradable, certified cruelty-free, never tested on animals, made in the USA. Ingredients: purified water, sodium lauryl phosphate, coconut-based cleanser, sodium methyl cocoyl taurate, coconut-based cleanser, lauryl glucoside, coconut oil-based cleanser, cocomidopropyl hydroxysultane, coconut-based cleanser, sodium cocoyl glycinate, coconut-based cleanser, citric acid, plant-based preservative, vegetable glycerin, plant-based skin softener, caprylyl glycol, coconut-based preservative, ethylhexylglycerin, biodegradable preservative, capryl hydroxamic acid, coconut-based preservative, propanediol, plant-based preservative. Tetrasodium glutamate diacetate, plant-based cleanser, cocoa glucoside, coconut-based cleanser, glyceryl oleate, plant-based skin softener, pink grapefruit essential oil, natural sea salt, potassium sorbate, natural preservative. Sodium benzoate, food-grade preservative, glucanolactone, food-grade preservative, natural fragrance.